Module 2, The 6 Pillars of Financial Freedom. Having done a lot of studies and experienced a lot of things in my financial walk, I realized that to fully achieve financial freedom, it entails a lot. There are many sides to it which I have grouped into 6 categories. I call it the 6 pillars of financial freedom. They are: cash generation, creation, financial or cash management, multiplying your money or cash multiplication, relationship with money, money and mindset, spirituality and money. So we will start with the first one. Cash generation, creation. This is the side that deals with all the things you need to know on how to create cash or generate it. To achieve financial freedom, you must know what cash generation is, the principles that guide it, and how to make it flow to you instead of you running after it. Over the years I have seen people dwelling more on saving money as a means to achieving financial freedom. But the truth is, if you haven't mastered the art of generating money, what will be there to save? And even if you do save it, and do not learn how to generate more or multiply it, then it won't do you much good. So you see that the first step in your financial freedom journey is to master the art of cash generation, which is the missing link today that has led to the increasing number of unemployment in the world. Well, that has been taken care of because due to how large this particular topic is, I have put together a course titled Crack the Money Code Masterclass Volume 1 and Volume 2. It will help you a great deal. You should check it out on my website www.moneycodeacademy.com/products/financial management. This one deals with what you need to know to manage the cash you create or generate so that you won't have to ever be under money pressure again. Again, financial freedom is not just about generating money. You must know how to manage the money generated so that years after, you will still be able to enjoy the money you generated over the years or over time. Most people don't have issues generating money. Somehow they have been able to secure that area, but the challenge is managing it. They get money quite all right, but it all goes on bills and expenses. So they are stuck in this never-ending circle of getting money and spending it all. Any man who is going to be financially free must develop the skills needed to manage his money, and this is part of what I share in the Money Code Academy. If you haven't subscribed to my blog and podcast, kindly do so on www.moneycodeacademy.com. This part is the area that deals with savings, budgeting and lots more, which you will be seeing in my blog or podcast over time. So make sure you stay subscribed so you can learn some of these skills. Multiplying your money. Again, the journey to financial freedom doesn't stop at the 2 things we have already shared. There is more, and that is multiplying your money. After creating cash and managing it, if you don't know how to multiply it, you may still fall back to square one where you started from. So this is the side that deals with the things you need to know to multiply the cash you have created. Like long and short-term investment and the likes of it. It is a very important part which must not be neglected. Relationship with money. To succeed in the first 3 areas we just talked about, it is your relationship with money that will determine the success. Therefore, this part deals with the attitude, character, and habit you need to have in money matters. If you can possess the right relationship with money, then you will definitely achieve financial freedom. You must understand that money is like a tool. If you do not know how to relate to it, it could hurt you, but if you know how to handle it, it could change your life forever. Money and mindset. Again, the mindset you have towards money will go a long way to determine how successful you will be with it. And more also, understanding the role of your mind in your financial freedom journey is a key to attaining it. Actually, all the money you want to make in this world is right in your mind. And the freedom you truly want to achieve also exists in your mind as well. All you need to do is learn how to discover this truth. So this pillar deals on the right and wrong money mindset. And it also deals with the overall role of your mind in attaining financial freedom. Spirituality and money. This is a dicey one, but yet most important. Spirituality is what brings in the true peace and fulfillment in the financial freedom walk. It's possible to have all the money in the world and still not be fulfilled. I have met people who, with all the money they have, are still not happy. I have read stories of very rich folks who still committed suicide because true happiness and fulfillment does not come from having so much money. They come from understanding your purpose in life and understanding the purpose of money and fulfilling it. It is this missing link, or the ignorance of purpose, that has led lots of people to still be found fulfillment, even though they are making all the money in the world. I remember some time ago, a young lady sent me a message seeking counsel. She had done her first and second degrees in a particular career path. And now she was also going for her PhD. But the challenge she was facing was that, with all she has achieved as a young lady, she still feels that there was a void somewhere. She said she was making money quite alright, but she wasn't fulfilled with what she was doing, and that was what led her to go in for her PhD. But few months into that path, she became confused and wasn't sure again, if that is what she really wanted. Now, you can see how complicated that was. It lets us know that true financial freedom is not just in having so much money, but coming to a place of fulfillment in life by fulfilling your purpose in this world. Now, the Money Code Academy is a resource that amalgamates these parts and helps you to have a broad knowledge of what financial freedom truly is. Like I said earlier, this is a very large topic and cannot be fully exhausted overnight. So the things I share in this resource over time are centered on these pillars so that you can be educated and equipped to crack the money code and achieve the true financial freedom you so desire and be fulfilled at last. It's an ongoing journey that gets better as you learn. I believe you have learned a lot so far, and I congratulate you on that, but don't stop here. There is more waiting for you. Let's move over to Module 3.